Facebook business page tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with setting up your own Facebook business page. So we all know that Facebook is still one of the most widely used social media tools out there. And if you want to make the most of it, ideally, you want a Facebook business page. So it helps you in connecting with your community. It helps you in finding interested people. To get started, simply head on over to facebook.com. And once you do that, you're going to click on the top right menu, then click on pages. And I have a couple of pages, but we're going to be clicking on create new profile or page, and we're going to be creating a brand new public page. Then I'm going to click on next, and then we're going to click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, you're going to choose the page name. So the page name is going to be the same as your business name. So our business name is going to be Vesa Steves. And the category this is going to be is clothing. And then we're going to add a bio, which is going to be a house of classics. And then after that, I'm going to click on create page. And just like that, our initial page creation has been completed. This is all you need to do when you're just getting started with building your page. So once we've done that, we can proceed onto the next step of our page building, which is going to be to add information about our page. So on the left, you're going to add your website. So it's vesasteves.com. Then you're going to add your phone number. And then we're just going to change that. We're going to select a different country code. And then after that, we're going to add our email address. And this is usually going to be your support email address. Then you have to add your location. So if you have a physical outlet or store, you want to select that and you want to add your location so people can visit. Then you can let people know your open hours. So this is really important because this increases a lot of foot traffic, because you don't realize how many of your customers are going to check beforehand before they actually visit you. And that is actually a pretty large proportion of people that like to check before they visit. So for that purpose, you do want to do that, and you do want to include that. And once you've done that, you can go on ahead and we're going to add open at selected hours. Let's say our opening is at 12. So we're going to scroll down. Not 12, let's say we open at 10 and then we close at 18 or 20. And then after that, we can just replicate this entire thing throughout. You can click on plus to add other opening and closing hours as well. I'm just going to add 10 and then 20, 10, and then 20, like so, 10, 20. Let's say we're closed on Fridays, and 20, and then we're also closed on Sundays. And then I can just click on save and then click on next. Once I do that, we can move on towards our second step of setting up our Facebook business page, which is going to be setting up our profile picture. So this usually is going to be a logo of your brand. This is probably going to be where you want a good high resolution logo, and you're going to add a cover photo. So for a cover photo, you can go on ahead and go into Canva and search for Facebook cover, and you will see several different templates available. I'm just going to create a blank cover, and I'm going to be combining multiple different images from our brand. I'm going to be using stock footage, but obviously you want it to be from your actual brand. I'm just going to go into fashion over here, resize these, and just crop this out to an appropriate size, like so. And once these have been added, I'm just going to band each one and then make it the same size as the first one. I'm just going to crop this. And after that, we're going to be using this one, which again, I'm going to resize first, place it over here. And now this looks fine. I'm gonna have to resize this. And then we're going to crop this over here like so. And make it a tad bit smaller as well. I'm just going to place it over here. Now I'm going to align this to the center of the page, and then I'm going to crop this image till this part and then expand this till this part. Once I've done that, we're going to click on share and then download, and download this as a PNG, and then go back into adding our cover photo. So now we have this Facebook business cover photo. Now this is really important. A lot of people leave out the visual elements of Facebook, and that is what makes your page look like a drag. So it's really important to have as much visually intriguing and interesting elements within your Facebook business page. So once we've done that, we can go on to the next step. And in the next step, we are going to be adding our WhatsApp, but we're going to skip that, skip our friends, and we can get marketing and promotional emails as well as notifications. And I'm just going to click on next. And now our basic page setup has been created. Now, the next step is going to be to create posts and to create content for your page, because just having a page for your business is not going to be enough. You can do a lot of professional posts now. If you click on your professional overview, you will see our post reach, engagement, and new page likes. You can see your new page guides as well. And you can click on content on the left, then click on create a post. You can even schedule posts on Facebook. And if you want, you can even use some content planners for this. But honestly, you can do it directly from Facebook. You can just type in whatever you want, click on next, and then who can see your post and then post it as it is. Now, you also have Meta Business Suite, so you can click on the Meta Business Suite on the bottom to be able to view more details about your business page. This allows you to access Facebook's free content planner. You can click on planner and plan out the entire month's activities, posts, stories, and more. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.